Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is share with you all some of the updates that I've made for 2023 to my short-term rental business plan template, and in some aspects using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and zip through this little presentation showing you all some of the updates I made to the template. All right, so let's move right through it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the start of the show, which is my short-term home rental company business plan template. So the first update that I made was to the company description. And in this section, I use artificial intelligence to optimize the company description section as well as the services description. So in my opinion, it's going to be able to read a lot better now from the template. The next change that I made was for industry research. As we all know, if you're going to write a business plan, by golly gee, you better have updated industry research, and that's what I've done. I went to my subscription for IBIS World, and IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research, in my opinion. And I went ahead and summarized their overview of the industry, as well as updated the revenues, the profits, profit margins based on the latest report available. And the final change or update that I made to my short-term rental business plan template is I made the financial projection model more customizable, specifically on the profit and loss tab. If you go there, you are now able to change or modify the sales growth on a monthly basis. And you see right here where it's the darker color cells, you can change the sales growth using percentages, which was not available in previous models. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, reach out and contact me if you need some help. And let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.